Yes, Muslim, send the message to the Imami as well.
I just did. Can you share that updated link?
Yeah, again. Okay.
Can you share the
Yeah, because
updated link?
yeah, I have just checked. Yeah, this is the updated link. I think the Imami, she is using the old link. So let's again. This is the-
Is it in the chat area, you mean?
Yeah, in the chat.
Yeah.
You want me to send it on the WhatsApp as well?
No, I got it. I have taken from here. Let me open.
Because whatever
I'm
the
opening
option
the app.
she does not have, it is over there, over here. I see now.
Fine.
And yes, yeah, this is the page. Yes.
Hmm. Yes, Imami.
Yes, please send the link again.
Yeah, I have shared with you the updated link
Chat.
in the this one in that group. Okay. In the
Okay, I send again
Okay.
in the chat.
Yes, yes. Got it. Got it.
WhatsApp
Yes,
group
yes.
for the Figma,
Because
that is the queries, the major ones.
yes.
You can
No,
share
it
your
is there
screen.
already. There, I have seen the Figma link. How it came. I'm opening that link. It's opening. Please enable me to share screen. It is opening. I'm taking too long. It's time to load. So, are you with your system? If you are, then please open that. It is not opening. It is taking too long to open this link. Hello. Yes. Sam, can you hear me?
Yes, Imami, we can hear you. Hello, Shan, can you hear Imami? Hello, Shan.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Sorry, my mic was mute actually.
No worries, no
Okay.
issues. Yes.
It directly opens that dashboard. I think is that the region it is not getting loaded.
Yeah, it's loaded now.
Yes. No, again. Sam,
Yeah.
can you just open it in your system and copy, send
Yeah,
me the homepage link?
Make me host
Yeah.
back again because you are the host now. You have to make me host. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Imami. Can you share? Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So here, if you see, this is all the information of updated over here.
Mhm.
Set the payment gateway.
No, no, but those things are not available.
No. This
Open,
all.
click on that.
Sorry,
Click on that. Please click on that.
the dashboard.
Yes. No, no, not that dashboard. Where where we set the payment configuration.
Yeah,
Pre-payment.
set payment gateway over here. See, if let's suppose super admin, he wanted to create the option that we can just
No, this is payment gateway selection.
yeah.
I'm asking about that time frame or something. What we call free registration. Is that configured?
Yeah, see, now again I have to go because there is yeah.
No, it is not there.
No, this is there
yeah.
over here. Yeah. Click this. See here, you can select the university these things from day to day and number of days count, and then you can save it. So this automatically save it over here. So from there, super admin can.
Okay. No. Again, I'm telling the wrong thing to you. What I'm telling is, what is the screen where we are configuring the payment schedule? Like, what is the amount for how many days? Are you getting for where we are setting the monthly, quarterly, and yearly?
Yeah,
payment.
that one is for the admin department, not the super admin. That is for the admin department. If you go and let me just.
Yeah, please go. Yes.
Yeah, if you go, this is super admin, this is admin. This admin is basically the each admin for each department. If you click on admin, go into the login. Okay, here you can define the issue that
how can it remain with the other other departmental admins, because it is a super admin configuration?
Sorry, no. So basically, super admin, he will give the role to the sub admin. Okay, or you can say the department admin, because obviously one person cannot, or the super admins cannot handle all the things. Okay.
No, son, that is not my question actually. I got your point. I have to see those screen where it is assigning the roles to super admin. Is it there? In the super admin where it is assigning role to admin. Okay. So my question is, where is that screen where you are setting the payment schedule? Like where you are giving the option, like is it made dynamic? Like if I want to give monthly amount, is it made dynamic? That is what I'm asking. Are you getting me?
Yeah, actually it should be over here, but I don't know. See,
yes,
down over here there should be a menus over down. I think they do not put this payment.
No, it is not there because I have checked. It is not there. Okay. Yes. So let's go by that. I'll be adding. Okay. This laptop and that laptop is different. Give me a minute. Okay. Some will be adding these fields, right?
Okay.
I mean, you can select the payment schedule and then the options. Okay. What is the payment schedule? Then the amount of payment. I mean the payment amount. We can put this field like I was showing you. In that way we can put. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yes, you are right. I think that is missing.
Sorry, son, you said something?
I said you are right. Actually, that payment section is, I think, missing. To set the payment for each department is missing.
Yes, even though you were explaining that it should come from super admin, but I think that screen is not there. We will add it.
Okay.
Okay, let me open that. Give me a second.
Let me just check. See, I think there is some payment section.
Yeah, in between you can also check.
Because normally, the relation between the admin and super admin is just the commission base. Okay, the admin of the department. Okay, let's suppose if I am the lab owner. Okay, I am the lab admin owner. So I am the one who choose the payment for let's suppose the lab should be available on the hourly basis or something like that. So I remember that there was some option over here.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Okay. Yes, you are right, son. It was there like lab admins can configure the lab timings, but not this, payment schedule as it is to be done by the super admin. That part is missing, I think.
No, actually, Mami, there was before, but maybe at the time of registration. Let me just again go back and check. Maybe at the time of registration they put it and they do not put on the admin. So,
So yeah, better if you have opened it, yeah, you can go for others also, no problem.
yeah, this payment structure, yes, over here.
Yes, it is. Again, there is a doubt in that payment structure also. I'll ask.
Yeah. So that's why I said this is the payment structure. Yeah. It is defined over here in the admin department.
No, it is the lab payment. Yes, it is the lab payment. I'm going there.
Every section, like if I'll go to the organization, okay, I sign in. They do not put it over there, but they told me that they will put the same structure over here as well.
No, why should they put the same structure? Because labs are defining the, labs are lab admin is defining the payment schedule because researchers are going to book the lab. So why it should come under organization?
Yeah,
are you getting me? What organization should put?
Yeah, the organization, if they are, let's suppose, offering any job to anyone, any person, okay, if they are buying any idea, so all this payment setup structure over there.
No, they don't have payment setup, and they should not have, because it is very specific to idea. So depending on the idea specific, depending on the idea, these things $150 and $250. While you are posting an idea or something will go there, so that is coming. So you don't need to. I mean, you cannot make it dynamic.
Maybe in organization, no. Yes, yeah, but
yes,
in lab and university there is. Yeah, you're right.
Yes, where there is some booking facility is available, it can be there.
Yeah,
okay?
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Okay, what else?
Son, actually, I'm opening that document. Actually, because I'm joining from the other system, I'm also not able to see that document here. 1 second. Do you have that document? Yeah.
Can you see my screen or
no? 1 second. No, please make your window that window. It is a restriction in Zoom. I hope it is comes in. Why is it not showing me? Yes, I got it. Yes, and I can see your screen. Yes. Give me a second.
I think the one you put it was updated.
Yes. Anyway, just for reference, I'll write it here. Okay. Otherwise, okay. This is another PC, that is what, another laptop. So that is the problem.
So we have done for the payment clarification, right?
Yes, payment clarification. I'll be adding those pairs. 1 second.
Now the Google Calendar.
Yes, we need that API.
Yeah, see, no.
Son, is it? Yes, 1 second.
Yeah, let's clarify for the Google Calendar that our basic idea is to have the calendar for the users so that they can see their schedule or the booking date or any sort of information. That the last developer team, they told us that we will put the Google Calendar. Okay. So this is from your side. Even if you wanted to put the API for the Google Calendar, go it with your own or register on our name. Okay, whatever. or if you would like to have another integration
Yes,
of
that
any
is what
calendar.
I am telling, Sam. Yes,
Yeah.
my development team was also suggesting me that maybe is it a fixed kind of thing like Google Calendar, or can we also put other
No,
calendars?
no, no. Anything,
So I'm
anything.
yes, yes, that was one doubt. Let me write in my edit in my document, and I can discuss with my team. Yes, I think we have covered up to this one.
Now
Where it is?
for the messages number 1.5.
1.5. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
See here, the idea was to have the support ticket system for the complete Comma Pro. Okay.
One second, Sam. Let me just write the response. Okay. Please hold on. I'm writing the response of Google Calendar. You can use any calendar.
You can listen it later on the recorded message actually.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So next one is no. It's better that I should write it because it is
No
very
problem.
difficult to open it
No
and listen
problem.
it. Okay.
No problem.
It is good that I should take it for reference, but I'll write it. No, it is. It would be easier for me. Yeah. Now please tell. You were telling about the chat tool.
Yeah, chatbot is basically our idea is to have the complete ticket based management system for the Comma Pro.
No, it is not ticket based. It is that internal two-way chatting system that
Yeah.
any registered user can chat with. What you were telling is support is different thing. That is chatbot. This is messaging. Are you getting?
Yeah. That's why I'm saying that
I think you said your
just listen
screen.
to me. Just listen to
Yes.
me. Our idea was that it should be a complete ticket based management system for the complete Comma Pro. But that previous developer team, they said that this is initially not in the scope of work, okay, and it will have an additional cost or blah blah blah. So that is why then my management they said that okay, just go for any integration of free tool, third party tool, and just integrate it with the system. But our original idea is that it should be a ticket based management system for this complete Comma Pro project.
Yes, it is also out of scope for our team also, San. It is also out of scope for our team because that is a different system and this is a different system. That facility is also out of system for our team also, out of scope. It is not in scope. The chatbot and support ticket, so that is not in scope. Okay. So next thing is
So what we have to
this
do to make
internal
it
chat.
into the scope? What we have to do?
Additional effort, definitely. Because chatbot costs some chatbot.
Yeah.
If we go for a chatbot integration, that incurs some cost. Okay, because you have monthly, quarterly, and different packages. Okay, and also support ticket itself is a different system. Support ticket details, because that part is also not clear. So the things that are not clarified in the video, I personally have made it out of scope. And also, Sun, our timeline is very strict. Our timeline is 4 months. So in between, it is very difficult to cover up all those things. That can be done absolutely no problem. So that is
kindly make it as a out of scope, or maybe for the future enhancement.
Sure. Thank you. So I'm making it out of scope. Yes, and we can directly jump to 1.7.4 now.
Okay. So for this messaging
Yeah,
system, I will provide you the
1.7.4.
the Zendesk ID and detail, so you can just integrate the code with the system. Okay.
Okay, so I'm writing that you'll be providing the chat tool. Okay.
Zendesk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, 1.7.4. Can you please explain what is the clarification required?
Mohsin, are you telling something? Hello.
No, no, I'm done. I'm done.
Did
Go ahead.
Mohsin say anything in between? Okay, so you'll be providing us the chat tool. Okay, that is what I'm writing in response. Yes, son, we are now at 1.7.4. Yes. Yes, let me explain you and what is the suggestion and what is your point on that. Okay, so in the while issuing the gate pass, system is directly keeping that date. Okay, one date it is taking. Okay, so for what my idea is, it would be maybe for example, let's say I have booked one library request book. I have sent an request for booking a for taking a book. Okay, and I have done the payment. Now the thing is like the university or library is going to issue me that book. Okay, so for that I need gate pass. The thing is like I might need a date range. Maybe I can go from 1st to 5th, 1st to 7th. Likewise, this is what I'm suggesting. And if that is the case, because in the let's say the gate pass is expired and I was unable to make a visit to the place. Okay, so what would be the logic that a new gate pass can be reissued to me?
Yeah, see here, obviously the university admin, okay, he is the one who is authorized to issue the gate access, okay, and he would have a two control. One is their university internal system to check that if this guy, once we issue the gate pass, is he already utilize it or not, okay. The other is information, obviously if you do not utilize, he will check into the system, okay, and then he can reauthorize or revalidate it for more 7 days or whatever the date period he requested, the researcher or whoever requested. So from this scenario we can proceed. Can you able to hear me, Imami? Hello. Oh, Imami is already gone.
Yeah,
I think she lost the connection, Imami.
yeah. Looks like.
So can we? Is there any what's left actually?
Yeah, can just quickly check. Otherwise, I will ask her to put that in the email and you can clarify those, whatever the remaining.
Okay, yeah, or tell her to join tomorrow at the same time, 5:30. So any more clarification
No
required
problem.
or any more question if come in her mind, she can ask.
Fine, fine. Sure.
Okay. In the
She
meantime, I
can
will
ask.
upload
We'll,
all this
I'll
meeting.
update you. Okay.
Yeah.
I will, yes, yes, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
All right.
Shana.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you for
Imam.
your time.
Thank you.
You
Thank you.
speak. Appreciate it. Thank you. I will add you to the group. Okay.
Okay.
So it
All
will
right.
be easy.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.